Hey guys, so my tailgate release button is not working, but when I press my key fob, it pops open. So that means the actuator is working fine. So we're gonna take out the housing, take out this housing, and we're gonna test the release button. So after you take the housing out, so you can see this is the release button. So we unplug it. Okay, it's gonna. Okay, so you can see it is yellow and brown. I don't know if you can see, and green and black wire. So we're gonna test this wire, see if they work. So you can put like a paper clip. So put a paper clip on the black and green. So chase the wire black and green. Alright, black and green is on this black plug. Where is it? Okay, found black and green. Second plug. So we put the paper clip on it, and then we grab two paper clip. Then we grab our multimeter, put it on continuity. Okay, we can test for beep sound. Put on the paper clip. Okay, that's a beep. That means the black and green wire is good. So next we're gonna test the brown and yellow wire. So let's see, put a paper clip on it. The brown and yellow wire is on this small black plug. So put your paper clip on it, and we test for continuity again. Okay, that's beep. So this harness is good. These wires are good. So next we're gonna plug in, put back in. Okay, and then put a paper clip on the same wire. We're gonna test, for now we're gonna test the release button, see if it's work. So put the paper clip on the same wire, brown, yellow, and black and green. So we're gonna test if this is good, the release button. Okay. Okay, so put it on it. multimeter on it on both ends, and then we're gonna press the button. We're gonna press the release button. Okay, it works, so that means the release button is good. So we can see that this whole unit is good. The last step, we're gonna go under the vehicle and chase the black, green, and brown, yellow wire. So we are under the vehicle. You can see all the wire harness is next to your spare tire. So let's chase the yellow and brown wire that goes to the switch button. Yellow and brown. Yellow and brown. So just chase under the vehicle, see if the wire is good. This might take some time, but yeah. Okay, so after some time, I'm chasing the yellow and brown wires. Actually, it's the yellow and brown wire. I don't know if you can see. It's corroded. It's a little corrosion here. Okay, we're gonna connect this back together and try it out if it works. Okay, I just wire them back, and we'll test it out. Try it. Yeah, works perfect now.